Oh, hey, Mary. How are you doing? It's good to hear. I'm doing good, thanks. Just hanging out in the woods. Gonna build myself a little shelter here. Oh, I should be good. Mary, see some people spying on me. I better run. Hey, guys. Didn't see you spying on me there. How are you doing? I was just talking to my friend Mary, and she was asking me, how I'm doing, and I said I'm good. Just building a shelter here in the woods. And then she said something. What did she say? She said something, and then I said, I should be good. I should be good. What does that mean? What did she say that made me say I should be good? If you know, let me know down in the comments. That means your English is great. Your English is great, guys. Probably better than my English. So, I'll tell you what she said. She said, would you like some help? She said, do you need any help? And I said, I should be good. I should be good, okay? That's another way to say, I don't need any help. Okay, it's a very polite way to say, I don't need help. I can do it by myself. Okay? So I should be good means I can do it by myself. Did you know that? If you didn't know that, smash like. Guys, these phrases, these phrases are very hard for English learners to understand, because if you just think about the phrase, I should be good. Like, what does that mean? I should be good. It almost sounds like yes, right? So if you ask me, Mark, do you need any help? Or would you like some help? And if I say I should be good, that almost sounds like yes, right? It almost sounds like that would be good. That would be good. Yes, I need help. But it doesn't. It means the opposite. It means the opposite. These kinds of phrases are very hard for English learners. But you came to the right place, to Mad English TV, to learn how to understand English, right? So, if you ask someone if they need help, if they don't need help, or if they don't want help, they probably won't say no. That's a bit rude, right? If you ask someone, hey, do you need help moving? Oh, you're moving to a new house. Do you need any help? No. That's rude, right? Or, I don't need help. That's rude. So people, most people, when they speak English, native speakers, they don't like to say no. They don't want to be rude. They want to say no in a different way. Now, maybe they're saying no because they don't want your help. Maybe they want to be alone. Or maybe they think they should be, they'll be fine by themselves and they don't want to bother you. Maybe they don't want to bother you. So they say, I should be good. I can do it by myself. So you don't know what they really think, right? It's hard to know what's going on in someone's head. Maybe they don't need it, or maybe they don't want it. Maybe they would rather be alone. Because sometimes we're in that situation, right? Where we want to be alone. Like right now, I'm in the woods and I'm gonna build a shelter. And my friend Mary doesn't know what I'm thinking. Maybe I came out here to the woods because I want to be alone. And if she like tries to force help on me, you know, it might be not what I want, right? So she shouldn't push it. She shouldn't try to push her help on me. So the best thing to say, if someone says this, I should be good, then you should say, well, if you need any help, just let me know. If you need any help, just let me know. Okay, that's a very polite thing to say. You know, it takes the pressure off of that person. Okay, so you're trying to be kind, and I know you're trying to be kind. If you offer me help, Mark, do you need any help building your shelter? I appreciate that. I appreciate that. So I could say, yeah, that would be great. Thank you. Okay. But if I say I'm good or I should be good, that means I'm saying, no, I'm okay by myself. Right? And you could say at that point, someone walking past me in the woods here, guys. Okay, if I say I should be good or I'm good, they both mean the same thing. They're both polite ways to say no. Okay, if I say that, you could say, oh, are you sure? Are you sure? I'd be happy to help. Are you sure? I'd be happy to help. Then I can say, I should be good, thanks. If I say that again, if I say it like twice, then you know, maybe I'm trying to say no in a polite way. So then you can say, well, if you need any help, just let me know. Okay, or you could say, well, if you change your mind, let me know. If you change your mind, let me know. Then I will say, thanks so much. Thanks. Right? So you're offering help to me. I'm trying to say no in a polite way for some reason. Maybe it's because I believe I can do it by myself. And I don't want to bother you. I don't want to waste your time. Or maybe I would rather be alone. Right? So because you don't know what I'm thinking, it's best not to try to push it on me, right? So, you know, you should just say one of those phrases. Well, if you need any help, let me know. Okay, that's a very friendly thing. I'm trying to be polite to you. You're trying to be polite to me. Okay? So that's what that means. I'm good. I'm good, thanks. Okay. Now, I'm good can also mean I'm doing good. Like if you ask me, hey Mark, how are you doing? I could say, I'm good. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Okay, so I'm good here means I'm doing good. It means how, you know, you're asking me how I'm doing. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, so in English, if you want to understand English, you need to understand the context. Okay, context means the situation. Okay, what situation are we in? Are you asking me how I'm doing? Or are you asking me if I need help? Both of those are they're different things, right? Oh, look at that nice sun there, guys. Wow, beautiful sunshine poking through the trees. Man, these are nice trees here. I love these trees, guys. They're beautiful. So they're two different things, right? If I say I'm good, could be I'm doing good. Or I'm good means I should be good. Okay? Now that word should is confusing here for people. What it means is I can probably do it on myself. I mean, I can probably do it by myself, right? So like I'm building some kind of shelter here in the woods. and you're asking me, do you need any help, Mark? And no, I can probably do it by myself. So I would say I should be good. It means I can probably do it by myself, right? The reason sometimes we talk like that is to be polite. If I say I can do it by myself, it almost sounds a bit arrogant, right? No, I can do it by myself. I don't need your help. That's a bit rude. It's a bit arrogant. So, by putting the word should in there, it kind of softens my confidence. It softens the possible arrogance. I don't want you to interpret it that I'm arrogant. I appreciate your help. So I'm saying I should be good. I should be good. Okay. Now that phrase, I should be good, could have another meaning. It could mean that you should be a good boy or a good girl, right? Should be good. Like if I say, like I'm tempted to do something bad. I should be good, but I want to do something bad. I should be good. It could mean that, but it probably will never mean that, because that's that would be something kind of a rare situation, right? Where you're kind of having some sort of a mental struggle. Oh, I'm tempted to do something bad, right? I should be good. Then in that case, I think it would be more natural to say, I'm supposed to be good, but I'm not going to be good. I'm going to do something bad, right? I'm supposed to. So in that situation, it would be more natural to use the word supposed to rather than should. But it could mean that too. I mean, in English, a phrase can have many different meanings, right? So I'm good, or I should be good. They could mean different things, but probably the most natural meaning is that you don't need help, in this situation, right? So if you ask someone, if you offer help, that's really nice. It's polite, right? So if someone says, I should be good, it doesn't mean yes. It means no, right? And then you should say, well, if you need some help, or if you change your mind, let me know. I'm always here. I'm here to help. I'd be happy to help. Okay? So if I'm moving, let's practice, okay? I tell you, I'm moving this weekend into my new, house, and I'll be moving all Saturday, so, I'll be pretty busy this weekend. And you say, oh, would you like some help? I say, oh, I should be good, thanks. I should be good. Then what are you going to say? Now you know, I'm saying no. Now you could say, are you sure? Are you sure? I'd be happy to help. And then I say, oh, I think I'll be okay, thanks. I think I'll be okay by myself. I think I'll be okay. What does that mean? Again, it means I should be good. Okay? So if someone starts with the word I, right? I'm good, or I should be good, or I think I'll be okay, thanks. These are all ways to say no in a polite way. Okay? So it's up to you. It's your choice if you want to ask them, are you sure? It's a polite thing too. You can say that. Are you sure? I'd be happy to help. And if I say, I think I'll be okay, thanks, then you should stop. Don't force your help on me. Then just say this one sentence. Well, if you need any help, I'd be more than happy to help. If you need any help, I'd be more than happy to help. Okay? So there it is, guys. There's your English lesson for the day. Another way to say, I don't need help. Okay? And it's, like I said, this is confusing for English learners because it sounds, the sentence sounds like it's saying, yes, I should be good. I should be good. And especially if I say thanks. Oh, I should be good, thanks. I should be good, thanks. And you think, oh, okay, he wants my help. But actually, I don't want your help. Right? It's the opposite meaning. That's why English is a hard language. Sometimes you think something means yes, but it actually means no. So guys, if you're frustrated about English, just take a moment to relax and just smell the flowers. Look at these nice yellow flowers here. So guys, thank you for watching my video. As always, I hope you're doing great. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, and happy. As always, I love you so much. And I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.